In this post-pandemic world, employees are looking to get back to a sense of normalcy in their work life. The days of manually scanning for workplace entry are quickly becoming a thing of the past. In order to enable facilities to prepare for getting folks back to work safely, ServiceNow has developed a Safe Workplace application suite, which helps enable an organization to get ahead of the workplace entry and provide sanitized workspaces for their employees. Now, let's look at this scenario a little differently. The same employee returns to work the next day but is obviously not feeling well. Imagine an automated entry system that can do a thermal scan, identify your employee, and permit them in the building or turn them away. This automated entry system, paired with the ServiceNow Employee Health Screening and Workplace Safety Management applications, provides a user with a message that either confirms entry with their pre-assigned and sanitized desk space, or provides them a message with instructions to wait for HR or manager contact. The value here is that ServiceNow is the workflow engine that takes a myriad of scenarios and connects them with the power of the platform to help safely bring employees back to work.